Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Sassy Sauce, Goofy Boots, and Maniology M278. I started off with Baby Girl Lacquer, Glitter Be Gone. Here is Sassy Sauce, Goofy Boots. It's from the Polish and Beauty Expo from July of 2021. Ah, cute name on this. Beautiful brush. Amazing formula. Very happy. This is a very happy girl right here. This polish almost put itself on. It's so pretty. I'm going to cap my free edge. Like I said, love the brush. You guys know I love them brushes. And here we go with our second coat. I thought I was going to need 3 coats, but actually 2's going to work for me for this today. I don't have a huge visible nail line and super white tips or anything to deal with. So, you may have to do that if you have a more visible nail line. Alright, I'm going to top it with I&M's out the door. And you can see I pulled like a flaky, I just tapped it with my finger, and I'm going to continue doing my top coat. Because I got to get these dried out. I got some playing to do. Yes. Here's a swatch photo of Goofy Boots on its own. And we got Maniology M278. It's a hashtag damn it Guylene purchase. I'm going to get that film off of it and clean it with a little cotton ball and some acetone. By the way, thank you Guylene. I love this plate. I'll be using Shutout from Bases Loaded Lacquer, H. La Corsadora Scraper, and Fab Your Nails Stamper today. I love this plate. I saw this, and y'all, I didn't even watch Guylene's video. As soon as I saw her show the plate, I paused her video, hopped over, went and bought it, and then came back and then watched the video. You guys, Guylene gets total blame for this one, and I'm telling you, I'm really glad. I'm glad I have enablers out there that help me buy things, showing me all the goodies. I do clean my plate with pure acetone. My stampers always get cleaned on a lint roller or with sticky tape. And by that, I mean masking tape, painter's tape, whatever tape I got laying around. It just, whatever works. This plate, I'm telling you, is probably going to be one of my favorites. I love the gradient of the image, and I love that you still get to see a lot of the base polish still. Your base color. That's why I had to have it. I was like, oh, I have to have it. Because I am really bad about stamping all the nails. And you don't want to cover up all that pretty polish underneath. But, as nail art junkies, we're so compelled to stamp them all. It's hard for me to do just accent nails. They're all accent nails, right? So there we go. We're just plopping through these. Getting them on there. How pretty. Guys, this literally might be one of my favorite plates ever. And it's not swirly twirlies, which just blows my mind. Got to get that little pinky nail done. There we go. How pretty. Loving it. I am going to clean this plate off a final time with the acetone. Wipe it with a paper towel. And then I'm going to hop in here with my nails. And I'm going to pull up all the excess I can with my masking tape. I used to use Scotch tape, but I don't know. I don't know when I even switched to masking tape, y'all. It just happened one day. There we go. Now that that part's done, I'm going to hop in with my acetone and clean up brush and just get the rest of this mess cleaned up. Very easy peasy. It's not smearing. Sometimes that white, depending on how much you get on there, it can be a nightmare to clean up. But this is cleaning up very nicely. I keep thinking that that's a piece of paint, but it's not. It's like a hangnail. I'm going to top this with some of the Maniology smudge-free top coat. I love this. And once that is dry, I'll be using my Poshe Fast Dry Top Coat. And I'm flooding my cuticle really hard. You guys know what that means. Wait for it. It's coming. I promise. Well, here we go. Hi, Woody. How you doing? Got to get Woody out here to clean up my mess. Because I made a big mess here, y'all. Ugh. Woody busy on just one nail. Did good for this whole manicure and then had to go flood it at the end. But I'm glad it's the clear stuff. Here's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.